Will market uncertainty push Lunc below 0.301 and will Lunc break into top 50? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with why the Terra Classic takes center stage. After the spectacular implosion of the Terra ecosystem in May 2022, the rebranded token Terra Classic is gradually regaining its footing in the crypto scene amid the unfolding bull market. In the last 24 hours, Lunc has recorded substantial positive metrics that have impacted its position in the ranking of valuable crypto projects. According to CoinMarketCap data, Lunc has grown from a low of 0.30's $117 to as high as 0.30's $142 within the last 24 hours. This uptick translates to a significant 21% growth rate. At the time of writing, the asset has slightly retraced to approximately 0.30's $127. Furthermore, CoinMarketCap has reported a notable 9.05% surge in Lunc's market capitalization, now exceeding $744 million and securing a position in 84th place. This surge coincided with a considerable influx of crypto market participants, exchanging over $186 million worth of Lunc in the past day. Notably, this trading activity has positioned Lunc as the 55th most traded coin among the myriad cryptocurrencies in the market. Given Lunc's current ranking at 84th, its market cap of $744 million needs a growth factor of 2 for the asset to ascend among the top 50 most valuable tokens. This implies that the market cap needs to increase to at least $1.5 billion. This represents a formidable feat, considering that Lunc tokens in circulation exceed 5 trillion units. Meanwhile, as of May 1st, 2022, Lunc, then LUNA, had a market share of $28 billion, ranking among the 8 most prominent crypto projects. A few weeks later, the asset imploded, and it has yet to regain its prominence in the space. The team behind the project has undertaken several initiatives aimed at propping the value of Lunc. For instance, Lunc relaunched the road to a $1 campaign by pleading to burn 100% of their commission. Now let's talk about, will the market uncertainty push Lunc below 0.30's $1? Over a month, the Terra Classic price has witnessed a steep correction, projecting a V-top reversal from 0.30's $28. The retracement has plunged the prices by 55% to trade at 0.30's $128 currently. With the current uncertainty in the market regarding the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, the sellers may prolong this downfall and tumble the Lunc value. Amid the recent downturn in the cryptocurrency market, Terra Classic has seen a significant correction, dropping to 0.30's $1. This decline retests the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, signaling a weakening bullish momentum as the gains from the rally in November-December 2023 have been largely eroded by selling pressure. The technical analysis of Lunc reveals 2 critical factors influencing its price trajectory: an ascending trend line and a falling channel pattern. Over the last few months, Lunc has consistently found dynamic support along this trend line. A break below this level could exacerbate selling pressure, potentially leading to a further drop. The anticipated correction could bring the price down to a support level of 0.40's $69 and possibly even a lower bottom at 0.40's $55. Conversely, the falling channel pattern currently guiding the correction suggests that a positive shift in broader market sentiment, such as the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the US SEC, could substantially boost Lunc. A breakout above the overhead trend line would indicate the end of the correction phase, potentially igniting buyer interest and driving the price to higher levels, with targets at 0.30's $139, 0.30's $16, and possibly higher. The last 3 months' price behavior indicates the Terra Classic is underperforming against Bitcoin, highlighting a distinct divergence from the broader crypto market trends. While the Bitcoin price continues to show growth with minor dips, the coin price has corrected more than 50% from its previous rally, indicating that buyers are struggling to sustain high ground. The 200-day EMA walking along with the rising trend line offers suitable pullback support to buyers. The MACD and the signal line below the midline in a bearish crossover state reflect the sellers are currently dominating this asset. And now let's discuss that the Terra Classic denies USTC burn proposal, but Lunc spikes 10%. After carefully casting their votes, Terra LUNA Classic community members have denied the third USDC burning proposal. Proposal hash 11,958 titled Burn 8 million USTC directly from CP tackles the funds in Terra Classic's community pool. According to live on-chain records, currently, there are 8 million USTC and 3 trillion S-Lunc in the pool. While most top validators on the network voted no to create a spending proposal to send the cryptocurrency to burning addresses, only a few members elaborated on social media regarding the decision. Terra Classic member BRLG Crypto from Brazil explained a massive difference between the initial proposal of burning 800 million Terra Classic USD tokens from a banned cryptocurrency address, once owned by the Risk Harbor project. As the failed crypto project's administration lost the private keys to the wallet, the devs themselves agreed upon burning the 800 million USTC locked inside the multi-sig crypto wallet. On the other hand, the 8 million USTC located in the community pool can still be utilized in other ways, for example, spending it on Terra Classic chain development, hiring new personnel, or setting up a contest for developers working on decentralized applications that could bring back a piece of Terra Classic's former glory. The rejuvenation of the zombie UST, which dramatically crumbled to pieces in May 2022, is not going as fast as most investors would expect due to the lack of stability in the relaunched Terra Classic network. However, the rebranded Terra Classic USD had its moment of shine in 2023, as Terra Classic's malfunctioning stablecoin reached 7 cents in days. While the late 2023 governance proposal to fix the sequence mismatch issue bore fruit, Terra Classic USD's road to $1 repeg was overshadowed by a gradual market correction, sending USTC back below 3 cents. At press time, Terra's malfunctioning stablecoin trades at $0.028. On a brighter note, Terra Classic's main token, Terra LUNA Classic, is nearing a bullish crossover after picking up 10% gains in the last 24 hours. Lunc is looking to close above the pivotal resistance of $0.30's $132 to sustain the bullish momentum. Despite holding this level for most of the week, Lunc trades at $0.30's $124. As the market correction sent down Lunc below the crucial barrier, Friday's Bitcoin ETF developments can also heavily affect the daily close. And lastly, let's talk about that the Terra CEO Chris Amani DeFi liquidity plan fuels Luna, Lunc, and USTC prices. Traders and Terraform Labs CEO Chris Amani's post on Friday fueled prices of Terra, Terra Classic USD, and other Cosmos-based tokens. Chris Amani predicts that the Terra ecosystem will have the deepest stablecoin liquidity in Cosmos, and the only ecosystem that has sufficient liquidity for decentralized finance. Chris Amani, CEO of Terraform Labs, took to X to share his prediction that the Terra ecosystem will have the deepest stablecoin liquidity in Cosmos. He also added that it will be the only ecosystem that has DeFi-sufficient liquidity for both Cosmos and non-Cosmos blue-chip assets. After Chris Amani took over as Terraform Labs CEO despite multiple stresses, he announced plans to provide free infrastructure to Cosmos-based chains, including Terra Classic, under the Foundation business model. He claims that there will be no better ecosystem in Cosmos for DeFi builders. The Foundation business model would be willing to run the infrastructure for all chains on Cosmos, cutting down the massive costs. It will be a game changer for Terra ecosystem tokens, likely bringing back utility and developers. In addition, Terra head of communication, Zion Shum, outlined an upcoming governance proposal to whitelist specific LP tokens as alliance assets, he said in a recent X space. So how do you think? Will the Lunky price lose 0.30's $1? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.